Hey there, Roger Burnley here. I've been coaching people for more than 25 years, and one of the greatest things that people say to me is that I really want to sound like a pro singer right away. I want to get there right away. One of the things that a lot of people want to do, especially in popular music today, is use a lot of what we call runs or riffs and all of that. Unfortunately, a lot of times what can happen is that you'll end up developing certain habits where you're working a little bit harder to try to get that. So what I want you to start to do is kind of isolate, as I call it, meaning that you're going to try to get your body out of this process as much as possible. I'm doing that really slow so you get the idea. Now you saw very little movement in what my mouth was doing. There, and when you start doing it, you will have a little bit of movement to get it going, but I want you to start to isolate, to start to take some of that movement out. I'm going to demonstrate this for you on a little exercise. And again, as you develop this, you'll see it'll give you so much more flexibility, and that'll give you that professional sound. So I'm going to do a little bit for you now. Now, I had my hands here because I wanted to also be aware that as I was doing that I didn't let the sound start to fall back in my throat, because then it would start to cut me off and I would work harder to try to get the sound out. So what I want you to do is, you're practicing that one, try to hit each note. You may not keep up with that tempo right away, but eventually you'll see that you will be able to keep up with it. And don't worry, you will have a little bit of movement happening, but I just want you to try to minimize that, so to speak, so that you end up creating much more vocal freedom. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, and you like a free singing workout that's going to give your voice more vocal range, better tone, and much more freedom, click this button right here, and I'll take you to a page where you can get your copy emailed to you for free. If you're on your mobile device, you might not be able to click the button, so instead, click the link in the description to get the free workout. And as always, like, comment, let me know if there are any questions you have or anything you'd like to see in these videos. And don't forget to subscribe to Singing Made Simple, as there are a lot more videos on the way.